All right, family, back again with another video on these drinks. Welcome to Yes Chef, folks. I'm your host, Big Chef Dro, and again, we're gonna keep these drinks coming to you because I'm a bad boy on that too, all right? So, I know you saw the thumbnail, one of the most classic martinis that you will ever find. But first, let me go ahead and ask you on how you can support this channel. This channel is very expensive for me. I have to go buy everything out of my own pocket. It's not to a level where it's supporting itself yet, but it can be. That's with your help. And what is it that you can do to help support this channel, to help grow it, and to allow it to support itself? A few simple things. Hit the like button. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the notification bells so you'll be up to date on everything that we do here at Yes Chef. And last but not least, share it all over. Share it on every platform that you want to share it on so that other people can get their eyes on what we're doing here at Yes Chef. I want to thank you all so much for tuning in. I want to thank you all so much for your support. But let's get it bigger. Let's take this thing to another level. So come on, folks. Let's get into the Cosmopolitan. Get ready, family. Let's mix. All right, family. So just like the last beverage martini video, we're going to go ahead and go through what we have here. Again, we have the Kettle One that we're going to use for this one. We also have Cointreau. Now, take a look at that, okay? Most restaurants is going to use triple sec. Don't let any bartender put triple sec in your Cosmopolitan. It's not the right way to do it. Let me tell you something. Come up here for a second. Come here. You know how I learned how to make a real Cosmopolitan? As you know, I'm from Florida, and I'm about 30 miles away from Naples, one of the nicest areas in our country. And I've worked there a lot. Rich white women taught me how to make Cosmopolitans. It's true. Because there's two other ways to make them that are not right. Some people, for whatever reason, they just want to taste the alcohol. And they tell you to just make it slightly pink. That's not a Cosmopolitan. You might as well have ordered a martini. The other way is when people don't want to taste any of the liquor and they ask you to put extra cranberry juice in it. That's not a Cosmopolitan. And for the record, if somebody puts triple sec in your Cosmopolitan, that's not a Cosmopolitan. So I'm going to show you the way wealthy white women taught me how to make Cosmopolitan 12 years ago, 15 years ago. All right. So now, got to remember the cranberry juice cocktail. Not the cranberry juice, the cranberry juice cocktail. That's what goes into a Cosmopolitan. And then here we have our limes. All right, so as usual, we have our jiggers, so I can help you along with this. Now, this Cosmo, and my martini glasses are not that big, but this Cosmo is going to be full of vodka, okay? So I'm going to do 2 ounces of Kettle One. That's 1.5. I'll turn it over to the other half. All right. And that will be 2 ounces, 2 full ounces of vodka. Now, you're going to want to put just like 1/4 of an ounce of Kettle One, not even that. You just want to put a dash of, not Kettle One, the Cointreau. just a little dash of it. And it's almost to the 1/4 ounce, just a little something, okay? Now, secret ingredient to a perfect Cosmo is squeezing a wedge of lime. That's right, folks. Squeeze a wedge of lime into your Cosmo, okay? Now, we're going to do 1 ounce of the cranberry cocktail. And that is where it's going to get its color from. Fill it up with ice. And remember, don't use ice out of your freezer. Go buy the ice, okay? You don't want your drink tasting like a ribeye that you got in the freezer. And remember to always shake your martini until it feels like your fingers are getting freezer burnt. Okay? Now, don't take y'all bougies behind in them people's restaurants and bars telling them, oh, well, Chef Dro said you gotta shake it and shake it until your hands fall off and get freezer burnt, because they're gonna kick you out of their restaurant, their establishment, because they ain't got time for that. They gotta get them drinks out, okay? Don't go to them people's restaurant acting bougie. They're gonna give you a couple of shakes and they're gonna be done with it. I'm going to get the martini glass. We'll be right back. Nice cold martini glass. Here is the lime wheel. We're gonna put it on there. Presentation purposes, of course, in all culinary, food and beverage. Presentation is important, though it only lasts a few seconds. Let's pour. And that right there is how your Cosmopolitan should look. We did it, folks. Look at that. Is the perfect shade for a Cosmo. All right. So I'm gonna go in real quick. Y'all excuse me real quick. Hold on. That's balanced. That's how a Cosmopolitan should taste. Wow. So, and it's not one of my favorite drinks, to be honest with you. It just isn't. But that's perfect. That's how it should taste. So, folks, we've done it again. We've taken you on this great journey on our mixology trail that we're on. I think the next one I'm going to do is margaritas. Y'all need some margaritas in your life. So we're going to get on to that. So, folks, again, thank you so much for your support. But how can you support me even more? By hitting the like button, hitting the subscribe button, activating that notification bell, and sharing my content all over your platforms. So if you're getting value out of all the content that you see here on Yes Chef, help a brother out. Support a brother. It's simple. Hit the like button. Hit the dislike button. YouTube needs that algorithm to push me out into everywhere so people can see what's going on here. Okay? So until the next time, until the very next video, folks, I think I'm gonna go ahead and just finish this off real quick. Cheers, family. Thank you so much for watching this video. And don't forget, hit the like button. And if you want to be a part of the Yes Chef family, consider hitting the subscribe button. And don't forget, click the notification bell, and that way you'll stay up to date on all of our latest videos. Also consider becoming a member of my Patreon for up close and behind the scene content. And be sure to follow us on all of our social media platforms. Thank you.